Hi, Ellen.
Hi,
It's
Ellen.
Abby.
Austin. And Mariah. We have to go find her.
Yeah.
Mariah!
Hi, guys.
Oh, hi.
Hey, I'm reading for the first time on The Greatest People Ever.
You're reading. What are you reading?
Jamming with the Jonas Brothers.
Are you serious?
No
What's a
way.
cool
Yes,
fact
did
in
you
that
know
book?
Nick was in Beauty and the Beast?
Yeah.
Everybody should know that.
Because we're
Freaking true
fans.
Dedicated fan.
Oh!
Yeah.
As Abby would like to call it, because she's the one who broke her tattoo.
Yeah, I dedicate fans.
Oh!
Okay. Yes,
They
so,
lived in New Jersey,
duh.
Wyckoff, and we should all know that too.
Yeah, and we do, Ellen. Okay. Good. Which is why
On
you
the
should-
road again.
Which is why, yeah. There you go. That's,
I
that's
just
a good
can't
one.
wait to be on the
The
road again with
the
Alan
Jonas
and the
Bro-
Jonas
there you go.
Brothers.
So, Ellen, please help us get on tour with them this summer, do behind the scenes and
And pick up one of these.
all that good stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pick it up and pick up one of these.
Yeah. Pick up one of these.
Yeah. Post it. Okay. Thank you, Ellen. You rock.
Thanks. You're awesome. You're awesome. We love you.